Summary of product selection. We have looked at the process of bringing new product and services to the market in this unit and the role of operations in that process. We identified all inputs of an organization as services, sometimes along with a facilitating goods and sometimes without that. Product selection is a strategic decision for an organization and the top management as well as functions like marketing, R&D and engineering have a role in the market of product selection decision. We looked at the stage involved in bringing new output and from the ideas stage into a tangible entity in the market. New product ideas are generated through market research laboratories themselves or conscious formalized attempts. These ideas have the very high mortality, and the new idea mortality curve showed that hardly 1 or 2% of all new ideas are carried throughout through the market. New product ideas are first screened for market viability and their fit with corporate strategies and weakness. These are then subjected to an effective analysis. New product ideas are then developed. Features are added to or dropped. Variations introduction and the product is finally designed and tested for the commercial bunch. Product design attempts to introduce a product having characteristics as close to what is desired by the customers as possible, and this involves trade-offs between elements like a function, cost, quality, reliability, and others like producibility, maintainability, product safety, environment impact, etc. Finally, we found that in product innovations and process innovations are closely linked to the life cycle of the product itself.